lifter.
He quit.
He quit
I'm
already?
sorry.
No.
If you had two on each side, it would be helpful.
Oh, hang on.
Hey guys, just like last time.
Swing it out.
Okay? Everybody got it?
Hold this.
You got it.
Okay, grab this one closer to the house. Got to come up a little bit. There you go. There you go.
1, 2.
Yep, swing it in. You guys are pros.
Oh my God. These guys, you guys could be movers.
Beginning to feel like maybe they could lift the refrigerator from there.
I know.
How do you get it over the edge?
That's what I'm thinking too.
Pull the strips up.